Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a short vlog, and this is where we went to after the Kenyan elections. This is the Great Rift Valley Lodge. So I'm going to be sharing with you our house tour of the Airbnb that we stayed at. I'll also share some of the activities that you can do around here, a haul of everything that we needed during our stay, and I'm also going to share with you some of the meals that I prepared while we were here. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
The house we stayed at was a 3-bedroom villa, and all the bedrooms in the house were en suite. I'm going to cue in some music so that you can enjoy the house tour. One thing I loved about the bathroom was the welcome kit. It had shampoo, lotion, what else? Shower gel, soaps, a vanity kit for like sindano and Uzi. They also give us a shower cap, somewhere to put like your dirty sanitary towels if you have any, and then they also give us something to clean our shoes with. So that was really thoughtful.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not.
So we got house slippers as a complimentary. They come in this pack, so everyone is given like a new pair. So this is all the food that we need for the three nights, 4 days. So here I carried all the spices. This one I carried from home. Then we have bacon and sausages. Then these are snacks, peanuts, cheddar, and tortilla chips. This is cake. We have coffee, sugar, rice, tea leaves, Blue Band, specialty leaves, peanut butter. This is Heinz beans. Then we have several juices. This you can feel tropical mix, apple, passion. I think there's another one somewhere. Yeah. Then these are sodas: Sprite, blackcurrant, orange, milk, lactose-free milk. We have oil, eggs, flour, maize, bread. These are vegetables and fruits. These are peppers, chilies, garlic, avocados. Oh, these are eggs, apples, bananas, lemons. These are tomatoes, onions, oranges, or 16, I'm not sure. Chicken, potatoes. This is goat meat, the 3 bags, and this underneath is beef. That is everything in the whole. Kusho unataka tukua ndani, sema tu ndakukua kwa hii video.
It is against my wish.
You have been forced. So for our lunch, I made some pilau, and I didn't add the meat into the pilau as the sufurias were a bit small. So I fried the beef separately, na hiyo nika dry fry, and then I made some pilipili and some kachumbari, and we had fruits on the side.
So yata akusikiwa na message. Alifikiria nisikia kama tuna ni bani.
Michael pia naota. Chini ya maji.
Unaweka kame anga.
Kakuosha mdomo. After lunch, we went to play tennis, and a fun fact, in high school, I played tennis, but I wasn't so good at it, so I wasn't like playing in competitions and stuff, but I really loved playing this game, and maybe I will go back to it. I'm thinking of buying rackets because where I live, there is a university close by, and we can access like the tennis court. So maybe we'll get back to playing tennis. For our breakfast, we had bread, eggs, sausages, coffee, and some fruits, of course, and a bit of cake.
With close attention as to the outcomes and the poll process, which they said are so far so good, and a comprehensive report.
After breakfast that morning, we played some Scrabble, and the rest of the group went to play golf.
Later, after the election, in that poster which was issued by the former Tanzanian President Jakaya Kikwete, later, when the commissioner tell our viewers what will happen next, and they brief the half of the country.
Where's the zebra? And a with a zebra. Imagine that whole time we were playing Scrabble, Sean was outside playing with a sprinkler and a zebra. A whole animal. This child is not afraid of anything. Like animals, giza, mtoto haogopi kitu. How are you? So this is my outfit. This is day 2 of our vacation. So we want to go see some animals, and then we can go play some tennis. And I wish I carried like extra sporty outfit, because the thing is, I thought that we'd be doing like a lot of swimming and chilling, but the pool is under maintenance. So let's see animals. Yeah.
To the left or to the right?
To the forest.
Yeah.
Antelope.
Antelope.
That one is.
Antelope.
And this one is. The menu for dinner was ugali, nyama choma, and some skuma. So the men were doing the chomai and cooking the ugali because none of us could handle cooking ugali for many people. So this was our dinner, and then we followed this up with like some very nice grilled nyama choma. So we marinated the choma since morning with like lemon juice and salt. After the dinner, we had some drinks and then we went on to play cards. Then I want to fry baked beans, and over here I've already made the sausages. Kind of a multitasking situation. For the baked beans. Just fried onions in here and red pepper, red bell pepper. If I had carrot, black pepper, I would have put it in here, but this will do. So I just want it to get warm and then I can serve everything. For the breakfast, I made crepes, sausages, bacon, and I also fried some baked beans. After breakfast, we went to play golf, or rather we went to take our friends to play golf because clearly, as you can see, I cannot play this game. I'll just stick to tennis because what embarrassment is this? After golf, we went to check out the clubhouse because we wanted to have coffee. And then from here, we went to the house and changed. And then we went for another walk. My God, this day I walked, I think, like 20,000 steps. I was so exhausted. I didn't even get to shoot like what we had for dinner and breakfast the next day. But for dinner, we had rice and chicken. And then breakfast, we had like leftover of everything that was left before we went home. Other activities that you can do at Great Rift are stargazing, horse riding, swimming, bike riding, but we didn't get to do all that because we were pressed for time or something just came up. So yeah, that's the end of our trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below on what you think about it, and please subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I'll be really glad if you came on board to help me out. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.